Welcome to 165 Charles. This is Spencer Means with Compass. Today I'm going to show you this amazing 3-bedroom apartment on the 10th floor of Richard Meir's 3rd building in the West Village. And some even say it's the crown jewel. The home is over 2,500 square feet with wide open spaces and a perfect flow. This is definitely a home designed for entertaining inside and out. And it features 360-degree views, translation, and iconic view wherever you look, including this front row seat to the Hudson River. Rain or shine, waterfront living at its best. Check out these 11-foot ceilings and walls of glass that make the home feel even larger. These African wedgewood floors add a sense of timeless elegance. I guarantee your guests will really be impressed. They may never want to leave. But this terrace is what it's all about. 30 feet with postcard views of Manhattan. You could stand out here and wait for your ship to come in. But if you're in here, your ship has already come in. There's also enough room for a large dining table. Trust me, this would be the place to have a holiday feast. And all the cooking would happen right here. Because the kitchen is open, it had to look good. It's sleek, modern, and functional, and definitely the heart of the home. And when the party in the great room gets too loud, sneak off to this cozy den. It's a perfect place to take a nap on a rainy day like this. Each bedroom in this home is special, but this primary suite is on another level. First of all, it's a corner, so it has 2 exposures. These views make waking up a joy, no matter how hard you celebrated the night before. Being in here makes you feel like you can take on the world. In addition to all this space, the primary suite also has 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like bath. It's a whole new standard of luxury for the West Village. This is a downtown masterpiece with unparalleled views and interiors to match. Thanks for coming.
Well, if you love what we show you on Open House, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are adding new content all the time, and you can see more of stuff like this.